The problem reads, the admission fee at an amusement park is $1.50 for children and $4 for adults. On a certain day, 242 people enter the park, and the admission fees collected total to $688. How many children and how many adults were admitted? So as we can see, the cost per children is $1.50. And the cost per adults is $4. It also tells us that 240 people enter the park on a given day, and that the admission collected for that given day total to $688. So what we're going to do here, we're going to create a system of equations, and we're going to solve for x and y. So what I need, for the first thing that we're going to need is we're going to label what is going to be our x and what is going to be our y. So we're going to create a system of equations. Before we get to that, let's label. I'm going to say that x is going to be the children. It's always good to label first so you can construct your linear equations. Adults, all right? So x is going to be children, y is going to be referring to adults. Now, if you think about this, you're going to have two types of equations. Two equations, all right? One equation is going to be the equation that is going to be talking about the cost. And then the other equation is going to talk about the number. So the number of tickets. So number of tickets. Right? Tickets, okay? Now, I think I misspelled that. Tickets. Right? Tickets. I don't know. So it says the admission fee at an amusement park is $150 or children $400 and they to enter the park. So no, I'm sorry, not tickets. People. Number of people. People. Okay. People. Right? The number of, well, it is actually tickets. Okay, let's leave it as people. Okay? Anyway, so here we go. We're going to create the two system of equations with the given information that we found. Once we create them, this is what we have. So you have the equation that is about money and the equation that is about the number of people that enter. In the problem, it tells you that it costs $150 for children, $1.50 for children and $4 for adults, and that there was a total of 688 fees collected. However, it does not tell you exactly how many people, how many children went in or how many adults went in. It simply tells you the total amount. And that is why we use x plus y, because we don't know exactly. Now, once you have your system of equations, if you notice, they are both in standard form, and that is why my suggested method for you to use is elimination. Once we have solved them, I decided that we're going to multiply line 2 by -4 in order to cancel the y. So once we do that, the y gets canceled. We go ahead and solve. And we are left with x equals 112. Once we find out what x is, we're going to go ahead and substitute that back into line 2 in order to find the y. And we do that here. Oops. We do that point. We do that here. And then that gives us the next, the y is 130. So this is for adults. And this is for the children.